I'm Samuel also here. I'm the facilitator of this particular training, and I'm going to take you through on how to design a very beautiful birthday flyer. So if you are new here, if you are new to this particular channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. In this channel, all what we do is that we provide step by step and valuable tutorial on how to design various kind of flyers and designs, and we also give tips and hacks on how to master the graphic design skill with your smartphone. So if you really want to master the graphic design skill, then kindly subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. Right, so without wasting much time, let's open our pixellab. I hope everyone has the pixellab app on his or her phone right now. Right, so let's open the pixellab app. So this is the interface of the pixellab app. As we have learned the introduction of pixellab, I hope you guys know the use of these tools. So we are going to design a very beautiful birthday flyer at the end of the day. Right, so this is the interface. I will delete this particular text, it's not needed right now. So I'll come to the alphabet layer here, the alphabet tool here, then I'll tap on delete to delete it gently like this. Right, so I'll come to the background tool here, the background tool. I tap here. Right, so once you tap here, choose from gallery. It's simple like that. Choose from gallery. You are going to choose a background from our gallery. Right, so let's wait for some time. Let me choose the background. It's not in this particular folder. Right, so choose the background from your gallery. I'll give you the background. You can check the description for it too. Yeah, it is there. Where is the background? Alright guys, here's the background. Let me tap on it. So the background is in the square size already, so we are not going to choose any size for it. It's the square size, so don't tap on anywhere, just tap on the check mark here. Right, so we have our background like this. Now, so the image, the person who's celebrating the birthday, we have to bring the person's image. So we come to the image tool, let me call it like that way. So the image tool here, let's tap there. Right, so once we tap here, we tap on import. We are going to import the person image from my gallery. So as I have said, the images or the resources will be given to you so that you can use it. So here is the person's image. Tap on gently on it like this. You can crop it, or you can decide to use it that way. It will not be a problem, right? So you can crop it like this and tap on the check mark here. Right, so the image has already been edited, so it is in a high quality form. It's a high quality image, so there's no need to retouch on it. So we are going to increase the size of the image a bit. We are going to increase the size of the image, so we increase it like this, somewhere like this. Okay, so let's okay, we increase it somewhere like this. So let's position it in the okay, make sure that it's balanced. Right, so after this, let's check the size, the relative size of it, so that you can use it the same size. The weight is 77% and the height is 89. You can use similar size for it so that you can get the actual design. So let me tap on the check mark here, come to this layer tool here, and let's lock the image. Let's lock the image so that it cannot be moved. Right, so now we are going to write the happy birthday. So we come to the alphabet or the text tool here. Right, that's where we use to write, or if you want to write editing, just come here. So we will tap on it. Once you tap on it, you see text. So we are going to write something. Tap on the text. We are going to edit the text. This is a default text. You can see new text here, so we are going to edit it and put in our own text. So we will first put in the happy in capitals like this and place it here. So we have our happy here, our happy places at the top here, have it in it. Right, so let's come to once the happy is selected, come to font, and let's choose a font for it. I have the font here, so you are in your fonts. We are going to use this particular disco font. As you can see, disco, look at the fonts well, disco fonts. Once you have this, you see this font, just tap on it like this. So once you tap on it, it will take effect here. As you can see, it has take effect here. So let's tap on okay to send us back to our working space. So we have the test here. Let's reduce the size a bit. I think the size is too much, so let's reduce the size to 26. 26 is okay, so the size is small, we want it 26, so use 26 for yours. And now let's come to spacing. If you come to spacing, increase the spacing to 45. Increase the spacing to 45, or 40 is okay. 40 is okay, so we increase the spacing to 40. Let's change the color of it to black. It is black, but this one is light black, so let's choose dark black like this. So we tap on the check mark, so we have it like this. Let's position it well. So we position it, tap here to position it in the center. Make sure that it is in the center. The space here and the space here are the same, right? So take your time. Then we tap on the check mark here. Let's tap here. Then we come to the A tool here again. Then we come to test. We are going to write the birthday. Let's edit it and delete this default test here and write birthday in capitals like this. So we will bring it here, increase the size a bit. So let's go to font and choose the font, a particular font for the birthday test. I want you to follow me closely here. This font, if you don't take care, you will not see it. It's very small here. So this font, where is it? Okay, where is the font? You see, I haven't seen it, so follow me closely here. Let me start afresh. So the name of the font, I can search it though, but I want you guys to follow from here so that you can see where exactly it is. The name is Macna Black Condense. You see it? Here's the font. Macna is the font, near to it is 20 dB. If you see this big text, it is at the top of it, right? So it is Macna Black Condense. Macna Black Condense, this text, right? So we will tap on it, so it will take effect here. So we tap on OK. We have the font here, we have the text here, very beautiful like this. So let's come to size and increase the size to, where is size? Increase the size to somewhere 163. This size is okay. So we send it to back. Come here, come to back and send it to the back of the image, right? So it's in the back of the image now. So let's position it well. And then let's bring it here, make sure it has its balance. Now let's change the color of it. Let's come to color. We can choose color, black color for it. You can choose black color for it, right? Black color will not be bad. So we have it like this. But if you want to have a color that can fit it well, I will advise you to use gradient color. So follow me here. If you don't know, if you are lost when you are designing, I will advise you to use the black color only. That will be cool. But then if you can use this, follow me here. Tap on gradient. When you tap on gradient, I have the gradient color already here. So what I'm going to do is tap on plus sign. Tap on the plus sign here to custom a gradient color for it. So once you tap on the plus sign here, come to the fourth gradient, this one particular one, the fourth gradient. Tap on it. So once you are here, tap here. This one is already selected, so let's tap on it and come to color and choose a color. We are customizing the gradient color, so we choose black color for it. So with the black color, we will increase it somewhere here, you move it somewhere here, right? If this is complicated to use the black color, as I told you already. So let's come here and choose a brown color for it. Let's come here and tap on color, and let's move this pointer here to somewhere here and move it here. Okay, all right, so we have this color here. We can go ahead and tap on plus. We have to plus it like this, plus it. Then let's choose a color for the plus one, something like this. Okay, so we have a gradient color like this. This one is cool and it will fit the design well. So let's tap on OK. So you have seen this gradient color is cool, it can fit the design. But if you are designing and you find it difficult, use black color, it will also do well, right? So we are almost done. Let's write a well wishes quote for the person. So let's come to test and let's edit it. So let's write a well wishes code, but then I have the codes here, so I will just paste it here. But you can write it yours. You can write yours. Sorry, you can write yours. This is what I have written. Age gracefully. Say more blessings, more health. So you can write something similar or simple like this, right? Let's tap on OK. So we have the text here. This one we are not going to choose any font for it. We are using this default font. It's not bad, right? So we place it here. Let's come to background. Let's come to background and give it a background. I hope you guys are following. That's how we do it. Give it a white background. You can see white background here. Let me come back. You can see white background here. Okay, let me give it this white background. Right, we have given it a white background. The text is white and the background is white. That's why you can see the text well. So let's come to color and give the background, give the text black color. So you can see we have it here. We have it here. We can increase the padding of the, let's come to background. I hope you guys are not confused. Yeah, just increasing the padding, increase the padding of the left and increase the right a bit. Okay, the left. Okay, so we have it here. We are done, guys. We are done. This is a very beautiful birthday flyer. It's very simple. That's what makes me like this particular design. So follow attentively, watch the tutorial well, and understand the concept, and design something similar or same like this, and then submit your assignment.
All right, so once you have gotten your design like this, you have finished with it, and you have gotten a very simple and a beautiful design like this is how to save your work. This is how to save your work. Come here, you see this save tool here, this save tool here. I hope you have seen it. Yeah, just tap on it. But I will advise you that every time you are saving a design, first save it as project. You see, save as project. So with the project, the design will be saved in the pixellab app. So anytime you want to edit it, or anytime you want to work on the design again, you just come to the pixellab and you come here, come to my folder, my projects. You see the project there, right? So let's give it a project name. So save as project. The project name, you can give it any name that will make you remember or recognize the design, right? So I can give it birthday flyer. I have many birthday flyers here. Have many birthday flyer projects here. So for me to make this special and different, I can use a number for it. Birthday flyer 9. So you save it as project, right? It will be saved in your project, right? So after you save it as project, now you save it as image again, so that it will be saved. This time it will be saved in your gallery. So once you tap on save as image, you come here. Don't touch it. This is already done for you. So tap on the dimension default. You see default here. Tap on this arrow, small arrow here. With this small arrow, you choose ultra. Choose ultra. Ultra will help you the image, the design to be saved in a high quality. This is the best option here. So save as ultra. Save as ultra, and you tap on save to gallery. After choosing ultra, tap on save to gallery. So it will be rendering image. Your image is saving to image. Your image is saving, sorry. So you see here, image has been saved to your gallery. So once you come to your gallery, you see the image beautiful at your gallery. So this is very simple. This is very simple. So let me wait, it has not dropped yet. Okay, you see, here's the image. Here's the image. Here's the design image I have just saved. So that's it.
Submit your assignment. Thank you guys for following. If you find this particular tutorial helpful, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification bell. See you in class. See you.